Hey, 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 what is up, everyone? What date is it? It's Thursday, and you know what that means? It's now time for our bold review dito sa Friday with Fridays with BMX, dito sa Thursdays with BMX only on Harriet. And happy Monday, Thursday, everyone. We are here at my office and we have celebrated a successful production deployment. So, palakpakan tayo. Ayan. So, within line with that, I am now clear of all time. I may sleep after doing these reviews na from namin on the 29th floor. Nandito ako sa Cubao and I'm excited. Although there is one caveat, may bumagsak na part ng kisame dito sa opisina namin. So, ako na nga lang nandito. Muntik pa bagsakan ng kisame. Pero enough about that. We are here to discuss the fourth installment of the Scorpio Knight series, Scorpio Knights 4. This is starring Apple Celso, Sahara Bernales, Albi Casino, and Marco Mora. Oo, si Albi ay nandito na kasi wala nang Batang Quiapo. RIP Batang Quiapo. Well, what can I say? I have some high expectations for this movie, and the fact that they gave it to a new neophyte sa BMX, I think they have a lot of risk that they're going to do. Kasi bagito lang to si Apple. I'm not sure if there are any films that Apple starred in na na-review ko na. So, this is her first foray sa BMX. May dumaan. Kaya medyo mahina yung audio natin. Anyway, let's go start with the series. Also, this is have Marco Mora. I've stated before in the past, Marco Mora is one of the cringiest leads ng BMX. Like, there is no soul sa kanyang pag-arte. Like, he's not into it. He's more like into it for the money. And I think parang napipilitan siya. Ang tigas ng katawan niya. And after watching Scorpion Knights 4, it doesn't change my opinion. He has some redemption. I'm telling you that. Pero for the better part of this review, I'm going to trash on Marco Mora. Sorry. Uh, It's what it is. Okay, let's get into the agenda, shall we? So for Scorpio Knights 4 dito sa BMX, they gave it to Apple Celso. And I think the inexperience uh really hits hard. Kasi the last time we had the Scorpio Knights movie, it was Scorpio Knights 3. It was given to Christine Bermas and I think Bermas typically nailed it to the point na nagkaroon ng tier yung old tier list natin, which is named Will Bang Okay, kasi it's around that time na tinitle ko yung review as Will Bang Okay. So, I think Apple doesn't have the Will Bang Okay energy that compared to Christine Bermas in in terms of the execution. Okay, so ang bida dito si Marlo, and he is played by Marco Moran. Nanirahan siya dun sa tenement. Of course, it's a tenement. Why else would be? He's yung mahirap na lalaki na naninirahan sa isang tenement or dormitory or paupaang bahay na ngayon nagmamay-ari ay itong si Kenzo, played by Albi Casino. Si Kenzo, so he is the bronze, not to be confused with the bronze warrior Kenzo Suzuki. Si Kenzo, uh, siya yung asawa ata or ka-live-in partner ni Amor, played by Sahara Bernales. And I believe Sahara Bernales, yung kanyang dibdib, medyo lumaki dito sa pelikula to. I think it's implants. But Sahara is notoriously flat sa mga past BMX movies niya. And now, she has voluptuous chest. So, nagdevelop or those are implants. And speaking of implants, holy Nila, yung Apple Cells, yung character ni Apple Cells, so those are some huge badongdo shits na ating napansin. Okay, so we got this one. nanirahan si Marlo. And then, another element ng Scorpio Knights is yung paninilip. Okay, so may butas dun sa lapag, like yung butas na pinagbibidahan dati ni Albi. Dito nakita niya na nag-live session itong si Nila sa isang Bombay or Arabo. Nag-exhibition siya. And, ayun. Then, as the story progresses, nakita natin na si Kenzo, nakikipaghalikan, nakikipagkangkangan dito kay Nila. Ng boso naman itong si Marlo. At, ayun, napansin ni Nila na binobosohan siya. And then she just went through it. She just went through it with the knowledge na she is being voyeured by Marlo. And yeah, nagustuhan niya. And then there's an instance na nag-exhibition na si Nila kay Marlo, nilawit ni Marlo yung kanyang kamay, tapos pinagdidilaan ni Nila ito. So, pretty much, it's tamer kasi the last time that happened, tite yung nilapag ni Gold Acero tapos chinupa ni Christine Bermas eh. So, I'm not sure what kind of a downgrade is that pero yun yung napansin ko eh. Also, there are some frontal nudity na nakita dito. Parang may imply dito na yung edits ni Marco Mora pinakita. Sa pinakagilid lang ng frame para di masyado mapansin. Pero nakita ko yun. I see it with my own two eyes. Akala mo hindi ko makikita? Ayun. Well, anyway, dito, we're like halfway into the movie and then di dito in-apply yung pinaka objectifying way sa ah objectifying way dun sa paano objectifying ah the main instrument for the masturbation, and that is, my friends, the feet. So there's a feet scene here, nagtapat, tapos ginamit ni Marco Mora yung ano. So Marco Mora, Marlo, begins to caress the pussycat of Nila, and then Nila jizz or secretes fluid from her badge flaps, and it went into her coffee. And Marlo m- just drank the coffee. And at that point, I stopped watching the film and said, "Yeah, it must have been the wind." So I skip it to the next day. Yun. Next day, sina Amor saka si Marlo na yung nagkakangkangan. Binobosokan nila si Kenzo saka si Nila. And then, uh, for some awkward reason, dito daw pinagkukunan nila ng pera. Ibig sabihin, sinila yung kanilang ginagamit na bangko. Pinagkukunan ng pondo. And I think this is where the story just loses it, you know? Na to the point na di ko na maintindihan. Okay? So, we're just going to skip to the ending here. Uh, they use the feet again to masturbate. Okay? And then, for this, nagalit si Kenzo, umalis, nag-walk out. Then, Nila and Marlo had sex. Pumasok si Amor. They have a threesome. Pumasok si Kenzo. Nag nagkabarilan. Napatay si Marlo. Napatay si Kenzo. And then, Nila and Amor, instead of reporting the two bodies, they had just sex. So, I'm just implying na Nila and Amor ay magkasabwat na in this operation. And I just don't know how. I just don't understand how. I think the execution of the plot fails to resonate. So, di ko alam. Okay? Ang napansin ko lang, ganun. Parang ginamit lang nila si Marlo. Parang ginamit lang nila si Kenzo. Okay? So, let's just what weaken me with Scorpio Knights 4. So, let's go towards the end of this review. Okay? We are going going to the tier list. Uh-huh. Where is it? Create a movie tier list. And, okay, nag-activate na. So I'm just going to give Scorpio Knights for a disappointing weak edition compared to the risk that took place in Scorpio Knights 3. This is more of a downgrade. So I'm just apologizing. I'm just sorry na this has got to be it. It is what it is. Okay. It has a lot of thing to go through, but it ended on a whimper. Okay. So see you next week. The Vivo MX Blackout will be effective this Saturday. So this is my last review until April 13. So thank you for watching. Goodbye. Peace. Happy holidays, everyone.